Welcome to our latest guide, tailored specially for beginners who are excited to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Over the next 20 minutes, we will journey together to unravel the mysteries of AI, discern its role in the rise of tech startups, and how it gradually becomes the backbone of our digital society. Before we dive in to explore AI's impact, it's first pivotal to understand what AI is. It's not just killer robots from sci-fi movies or autonomous drones. AI is much broader and profound. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to make computers execute tasks that typically require human intelligence, from recognizing speech, understanding visuals, to decision-making. AI truly stretches across a plethora of domains. Having understood the basics of AI, let's explore how this revolutionary technology is transforming our everyday lives, particularly its role in shaping tech startups. AI is being used by startups across a myriad of sectors, from marketing to healthcare, all the way to FinTech, shaking up traditional business models and creating entirely new ways to add value to products and services. Now we will look at few successful tech startups that have effectively utilized AI to propel them to new heights. You'll discover how they use AI to analyze massive data sets, predict trends, automate processes, and provide personalized experiences, ultimately providing significant competitive advantage and growth opportunity. To sum up, AI is much more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that is redefining the startup landscape, creating avenues for innovation and reimagining how businesses can be built and thrive. As we move towards a more integrated digital future, we can only expect its role to become more vital. Is your startup ready to embrace this transformation?